Let's continue with data types started in lesson 1. Today we will take a look on numbers, float and int, and on text string, numbers, arithmetic operations and PEP238, and text, concatenation, immutability, formatting and slicing. There are not much to speak about arithmetic operations here. You can use double multiple sign for power of, or double slash for floor division, or percentage sign for modular operator. Since Python 3 you can use PEP238 for division, and if you use 1/ you will have float after division and double slash will return as int. Be aware that in all these combinations only last one when you int divide on int and with double slash in between will return as int. In the end, if you would like to have a float after division, you would use 1/ and double slash to have an int even if float was expected. Concatenation. You can use one string plus another string to merge them in one, or you can even multiply string on itself or any other symbol to have an output like this. Immutability. You can use any kind of method in Python to change the string, and in the end, if you print variable containing the string, you will see it have no effect, because when you apply this method to the variable, it created completely new string and you would like to assign it to new variable or reassign an old one with new value to have an effect. Formatting. You can use static strings in Python like this, or you can use a few variables to place them inside the string with f before the string to have a dynamic strings. Also, you can use an old formatting like this one with format method, take a parameters here with variables which you would like to place inside the string between curly brackets. Also, you can change places and type first balance and then username if you will put 1 here between curly brackets and 0 here. You can also use a very powerful tool when you format string with placeholders like this. You will use, for example, D to print integer instead of float here, or you can print only one first number of float part here, or you can use spaces after username and before balance using these numbers before placeholders. Slicing. We have a string, let's assign it to variable, we have a positive indexes, negative indexes, and using these indexes and variable we can have a one value, or we can have a range of values in accordance to all these cases. We can even have a reverse string or a different step between indexes. How to do it in more details in my next video, string indexing and slicing.